Hey fam, I'm going to run some errands, but I wanted to do a quick fit check. The blinds are staying closed because it's day 1 million without air conditioning. I am wearing these like little red slides. I usually put the belt at like my smallest part of my waist, but I'm feeling this like drop waist summery moment. My vintage Moschino bag, some sunnies. They're coming to fix our AC tomorrow, so hopefully don't have to deal with this much longer. You can like see how red and hot I am right now. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you guys later.